Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to fix FAQ page color on Shopify, or how to change frequently asked questions page color. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify store and go to your Shopify admin page. Now from the left corner, menu corner, click on online store button and then click on the themes button. After that, click on the customize button. Now click on theme settings button, which is on the left bottom of the page. So the bar will open on the right side in which all the categories will appear. So choose the FAQ category. Then change the base color, background color according to your requirement. If you click add section from the left bar, all the individual options will appear on the right side. After you choose color according to you, click on the save button, and that's how you will fix FAQ page color in Shopify. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.